So I have Aaron here with Trimyxs, and they got a really neat, innovative product that attaches to your push lawnmower. Let me go ahead and let Aaron talk a little bit about it.
Thank you so much, Mark. So this is the Trimyxs, the first ever string trimmer and edger that simply attaches to your push lawnmower. Are you tired of doing the traditional string trimming? Well, now it's attaches to your lawnmower. It's 2 birds, 1 stone. And this is how it works. So it attaches directly to the wheel axes, 2 bolts off, 2 bolts on. And it's not just a trimmer unit. It flips over and into an edger. So now you can do your sidewalks, driveways, and other areas in your yard. Bring it back to a trimmer stage, and it completely attaches directly here. It's 20-volt battery, and it powers with a trigger of its own. You can move it left or right, it doesn't matter. And then currently, this goes in a clockwise rotation where the clippings itself come to the mower and they get mulched up.
What does this normally go for?
So retails for $219.99, and we're currently right now on Amazon.
Thanks, Aaron, I appreciate that.
Thank you so much, Mark.